As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Weber Q1000 and the Char-Broil Performance Series. Let's dive in.
Yeah, sounds good. First thing I notice is the size difference. The Weber is way smaller, right? Like 189 square inches of cooking space versus the Char-Broil 600.
Definitely. The Weber is made for portability, a 27.5-pound tabletop grill. It's perfect for tailgating or small patios. The Char-Broil, at almost 95 pounds, is more of a stay-at-home grill.
Right, and that TRU infrared cooking technology that Char-Broil boasts about, that's supposed to prevent flare-ups and cook food more evenly and juicier, right?
That's the claim. The Weber uses a single stainless steel burner, putting out 8,500 BTU, while the Char-Broil has 3 burners totaling 34,000 BTU. So more power with the Char-Broil, presumably faster heating.
But BTU isn't everything, is it? I mean, the Weber has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention. The Char-Broil has porcelain coated steel grates.
True. Cast iron is generally preferred for even cooking and those nice sear marks. The Weber also has that cast aluminum lid and body, which is durable and lightweight for portability.
And the Char-Broil has a side burner. That's a big plus for keeping sauces warm or sautéing veggies. The Weber doesn't offer that.
Good point. The Char-Broil is more of a full-featured grill. But, and this is a big but, the Weber is Amazon's choice and has way more reviews with a higher rating. People seem to really love it.
Yeah, the Weber has almost 4,500 reviews with a 4.7 rating, while the Char-Broil has under 500 reviews and a 4.4 rating. That says something.
Exactly. The Weber seems to be a reliable, simple, and portable option. The Char-Broil is larger, more powerful, and has more features, but maybe sacrifices some reliability. What about price?
Both are similarly priced, around $230, so it really comes down to what you need. Small and portable, or larger with more features.
Yeah, portability and high ratings versus size and a side burner. Tough choice. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.